Aguilar, family and friends, higit sa lahat, sa bumubuo ng UBJP at ang ating minamahal na Cotabateños. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Una sa lahat, ako po ay taus-pusong nagpapasalamat sa mamamayan ng Cotabato City sa pagtitiwala at pagsuporta sa inyong binigay sa akin, ang inyong panalangin, tiwala at pag-asa para sa isang payapa at mas ligtas na komunidad, ang nagsisilbing inspirasyon ko sa bawat hakbang ng aking paglalakbay. Ngayon, sa pagtanggap ko ng tungkulin bilang inyong City Councilor at Chairperson ng Peace and Order Committee, ako po ay buong pusong magsisilbi para sa ating lungsod. Tunay po ang kapayapaan at kaayusan ang pundasyon ng isang maunlad, maayos na pamayanan. Kung wala ito, mahihirapan tayong makamit ang ating plano para sa edukasyon, kalusugan at kaunlaran, pangkabuhayan. Kaya higit sa posisyon, itinuturing ko itong isang misyon na natitiyak na ang bawat pamilya sa Cotabato City ay ligtas sa kanilang tahanan. Ang bawat bata ay magkakapag-aral ng walang pangamba at ang bawat negosyo ay uunlad sa siyang matiwasay na kapaligiran. Alam ko po ang bigat ng hamon ng ating haharapin mula sa pagsugpo ng maliliit na krimen, pagpapalakas sa ating kahandaan sa sakuna, pagtulong sa pagsuporta sa ating kapulisan, hanggang sa pagbibigay lakas ng ating mga barangay tanod. Voluntaryo ang lahat ng ito ay hindi kayang may sa katuparan ng isang tao lamang. Ito po ay mga kailangan ng pagkakaisa, malasakit at katapangan mula sa ating lahat. Bilang chair ng Peace and Order Committee, aking itutulak ang mga ordinansya, programang nagpapalawak sa ating partisipasyon ng komunidad, magpapabuti sa ating mga hakbang seguridad at magtataguyod ng higit sa paggalang sa ating batas. Magkikipagtulungan ako sa ating kapulisan, Barangay Civil Security Group at iba pang sektor upang kapayapaan, kaayusan na hindi lamang maging salita kundi maging katotohanan para sa lahat ng taga-Cotabato City. Sama-sama po nating buuin ang isang Cotabato City na tunay may pagmamalaki ng ating isang lungsod na mapayapa, maayos at nagbibigay na ang katuparan, pangarap ng bawat isa. Muli, maraming salamat po sa inyong tiwala. Naway gabayan tayo ni Allah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you. Honorable Bayi Saliban Kandal, you are recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. To our Honorable Wapong Mayor para sa lahat, Mayor Muhammad Ali Bruce Matabalaw, to our Honorable Vice Mayor Zuhair Madak, to my fellow councilors, To my fellow public servants, the families of the officials, other esteemed and honored guests, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu.
Waalaikumsalam ta'ala wa barakatuh.
First and foremost, all praise and thanks be to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for His mercy, guidance, and for giving us this moment. Today is a meaningful day, not just for me, but for everyone who walked this journey with me. Allow me first to begin by honoring my late parents, Dato Abdul Qadir Ibn Kandao, Hajia Jainab Kandao, Allah yarhamhuma. Though they are no longer with us physically, I carry their values, their love, and everything they taught me in my heart. My victory is their victory. To my siblings, relatives, and my entire family who never gave up on me, thank you for being my source of strength, especially during the hardest times. You made my campaign alive, sincere, and rooted in service. To my dear friends, and who trusted me, and who stood by me, with unwavering belief, maraming salamat. To my Mayor, Bruce Matabalao, I am grateful for your trust and leadership. You have shown what it's meant to lead with heart in building a better city para sa lahat. To my political family, the United Bangsamoro Justice Party, thank you for your guidance and support and for continuing the fight for justice, good moral governance, and meaningful change in the Bangsamoro. To my hardworking volunteers and my CSO family and community who believe in me and the possibility of real change, thank you for standing by me. To the barangays who voted for me, welcomed me, and placed their confidence in me, I will not forget this. Sa lahat ng bumoto sa atin, do not worry. Your vote, your hope, and your trust will not be wasted. Though I am the lone female in the Sangguniang Panglungsod, I assure you that my strength is as strong as the 9 councilors with me. With honest and dedication and love for the people, I am here for a purpose. I promise to make a mark, to act on service, and inshallah, to help create real lasting impact for Cotabato City. To my fellow public servants, together let us build a future that honors and uplifts the people of Cotabato City. I will push for programs that empowers our women and senior citizens and uplift our local tourism, heritage, and culture. Again, Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Ako po ang inyong Ma'am Shalimar, American Candao, dito po sa Sangguniang Panglungsod. Handang maglingkod at handang magserbisyo. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Thank you. The Honorable Abu Bakar Ikampong,